the sector which had neutral stance. We saw short covering, so short was out and the sector was light, so neutral was the call. So let's see if we see some amount of long positions getting built around these levels. We wouldn't mind sticking our neck out and actually going ahead long on the IT. At this point in time, we are more or less neutral on the sector. Would rather pick something from a private banking space which added longs and is trading right now with sufficient amount of long bias than the IT space.
Bhavan, how are you reading this 5,000 crore of index futures that the FIIs have sold so far, in the last few trading sessions? Is it just long unwinding, or now are you seeing, perhaps short positions also being built up by the FIIs on the Nifty end?
See, the data that is published by NSE is clearly pointing at the long unwinding. We've been seeing since last, if I'm not wrong, about 4 odd sessions, we've been seeing net sell figure continuously and the OI getting dropped continuously on the Nifty futures. The index futures open interest, that's what they published. So that clearly points at an overall long unwinding by the institutional participants on an aggregate basis. And even if you look at the Nifty futures open interest on NSE or for that matter SGX, both of them have shedded in excess of about 20% for NSE and about 10% for SGX since the day of expiry. So we've been seeing a lot of long unwinding trades in Nifty. What this essentially means is that it makes the index a lot more vulnerable when the instrument goes light without a lot of directional bias into it. So that is one more reason why we could see the choppiness continuing in the coming days.
Okay, if your overall mood is so bearish, do you have any short or bearish recommendations on even any of the mid-cap stocks?
I am sorry, but I wouldn't be bearish till we see the other side of 5,900. Okay. So at this point in time, I am with those writers who have written those 5,900 puts and trying to catch the Nifty on the low side at near 5,900 with tiny bit of stop loss and trying to play long till it gets broken.
Okay. All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot, Bhavin, for joining us with your thoughts. Ranbaxy stock again in focus, the Supreme Court saying that, I think they're referring to the PIL against their manufacturing license, court saying that they will hear it earlier rather than later, and maybe that will come up for hearing next week. That stock has been a beleaguered one, so much of negative news coming in. We'll take a break on that note. Another stock that has been bedeviled by negative news has been Maruti. The yen appreciation has taken a toll on that stock, but quite separately the company announced that they are shutting down even their diesel plant, their bread and butter business for a day to bring down their inventory. This is bringing home the slowdown like never before and hitting one of the most profitable car makers. We will speak with Mahantesh Sabad of Fortune Equity Brokers on Maruti and of course other auto stocks as well.